If you look around, this is the goal for the average Joe, to own a home in a neighborhood that looks like this for the affordable prices that St. Peter's has. St. Peter's is a 35-minute drive west of downtown St. Louis. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen this already, there's a link down below that shows you an interactive map on all of the places that I've made videos on. It's really easy to use. All you have to do is click on the link to the map and then click on a pin that will take you to a link of said place. St. Peter's is another affluent suburb that is a part of St. Charles County. It's the fastest growing county in Missouri, and it's the wealthiest county in Missouri. Just like the other nearby suburbs, St. Peter's consistently ranks in categories such as Money Magazine's Top 100 Cities to Live in the Country. In this video, I drive in mad circles around St. Peter's, and I'll tell you more about it along the way. Well, let's get to it. Shall we? I do start the video in the parking lot of the Mid-Rivers Mall, which is towards the center parts of the St. Peter's city limits. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep up with the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. If I go too fast for you, or if you think that I'm going too slow, you can always adjust the playback speed by selecting the gear icon if you're watching on PC, or by selecting the three-dotted menu if you're watching on a mobile device. Isn't YouTube great? Also really quick, as if you enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on my channel. Other videos on places like St. Peter's can be found in my Missouri playlist or in my St. Louis Suburbs playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. St. Peter's is just like many of the other St. Louis suburbs that are out this way. The population is 58,000, which is up 11% from the 2010 census count, or 6,000 people to be exact. The median household income is $79,000 per year, and 39% of adults 25 and older hold a bachelor's degree or higher. The median value of owner-occupied housing units is $182,000, and that makes it incredibly affordable for being a suburb that offers great schools. The crime rates here are well below average, and Niche.com gives St. Peter's an A on their public schools. To me, it's pretty amazing that the median home prices are so low. That's based on official US Census data that tracks property values every year. I was looking around on Zillow and saw quite a few really nice newer homes that went for some really low prices. I'm not saying that's a negative, I'm saying that's a positive. If you're looking to the St. Louis area and you're looking to settle down and raise a family, you'd be an absolute fool not to consider St. Peter's with the prices of some of the homes and the excellent quality of life that the suburb brings. I mean, I'd be judging you pretty hardcore if you didn't. Especially after watching this video, you have no excuse but to consider it. The only reasons why I could see why you wouldn't is if your job is too far away, or if suburbia just doesn't appeal to you. If you look around, this is the goal for the average Joe, to own a home in a neighborhood that looks like this for the affordable prices that St. Peter's has. Aw, how adorbs. It's a covered bridge. You even have a walking/bike path that follows this creek. Or do you Missourians say crick? Let me know in the comment section below. Among the most notable people from St. Peter's is Kelly Suttle, who competed for the U.S. Olympic track and field team through the pole vault event. Suttle competed in the 2000 and 2004 Olympics to be exact. Otherwise, you have a couple of professional soccer players, but that doesn't help the stereotype of St. Peter's being a soccer mom suburb. As some of you would expect for a suburb that started to grow in the 1970s and 80s, there's not too much history here. Some of you might want to argue with me on that and find the smallest things that nobody cares about, such as some candy factory that might have existed here 50 years ago. But the truth is that it's a suburb that developed in the 1970s and 80s after Eisenhower invented the interstate highway, which gave people the opportunity to move away from the crowded and crime-ridden inner cities. Some history of note is that in the late 18th century, French traders found St. Peter's. In the mid-19th century, the area started to be more populated with German immigrants. However, it remained quite a small place for a while. In fact, in 1970, the population of St. Peter's was 486. In 1980, the population boomed to 15,700, followed by 40,000 in 1990, and then the population stopped growing as fast as the city was not able to expand the city limits any further out, as it's surrounded by other suburbs that were growing just as fast. And no, I didn't grab this off of the St. Peter's Wikipedia page, I grabbed this off the city's own website on the About St. Peter's page. That same website also said that St. Charles County is northeast of St. Louis County, which is false. It's actually west of St. Louis County. So maybe using the Wikipedia page would have been more credible than the city's own website. The website also wanted me to buy a St. Peter's history book for $20 in order to learn more, but I decided not to. Sorry, city of St. Peter's, Missouri. Well, I know that this was a pretty short video compared to the rest of what you've seen on my channel. I started this channel in January of 2020, and upon filming this video, I was still a rook. I kind of still am a rook, and I plan on continuing the theme of having videos that mostly consist of driving and exploring, but maybe some extra shots from different angles of all the places that I go to give my videos some more flavor, if you will. Going back to only have been doing this for 8 months upon filming this video, it's not always easy to know where to go or what to film when I'm out exploring all of these cities and towns, especially when I've never been to these places before. I mean, I've flown past on the freeway that's right next to us many times as I've traversed across the Midwest, but I've always had a strong desire to go and explore and check out these places on my own. YouTube has given me a great opportunity to do that, and after 1 year of doing this crazy YouTube thing, I've reached 3,000 subscribers. It might not seem like a huge number, but it is a satisfactory milestone nonetheless, considering that my channel has continued to grow faster and faster each and every month. I can only thank all of the viewers like you for making this possible for me. I can't think of another way possible to explore as many places as I have if it weren't for YouTube providing this platform and for so many people to come watch and enjoy the videos. Whether you're interested in learning about all of these places just like I am, whether you're interested in seeing what different places look like, or whether you're interested in moving somewhere, I'm always going to look on ways that I can improve as a YouTube creator and a filmmaker to make the best videos possible. Anyway, I just wanted to say that, and you guys who have been watching each and every one of my videos can expect even greater content to come in the future. I appreciate you all, and with that said, I'm going to stop talking here even though the video continues for a little bit, as it was a nice evening in the summer and it was just a nice drive. If you enjoy my videos, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on my channel. Videos on other places like St. Peter's can be found in my Missouri playlist or on my St. Louis Suburbs playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace!